This is the Razab 24-piece glass container set. It comes with 12 lids and 12 glass containers. All right, let's get into the good, the bad, and the ugly of these Razab food storage containers. So the good is you get a variety of containers. You get 2 of the large rectangular containers, 2 of the large square rectangular containers, and then you get 2 of the medium-sized rectangular containers and 4 of the medium-sized square containers. You get 4 of these. And then you get 2 of the round containers. Another good on here is that these dishes right here, they can go in the microwave or they can go in the oven. They can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. Plus they're also dishwasher safe, so that's pretty cool. These lids are also BPA and PVC free. They open up pretty easy like that. They also have a silicone seal in here to make it airtight. Let's go ahead and test it out and see how airtight they are. Let's see here, this one's got some liquid in it. This has got some juice here from a roast that we had cooked. Go ahead and shake it up there. Don't see any leaks there. Just make sure that the vent thing is popped down before you shake it up like that. But yeah, I'm not seeing any leaks come out. So that's good. And these stack really nice. You can stack these things on top of here. They have this ridge in the plastic right there so that you can stack these things up for storage in your refrigerator or in your cupboard. Another good thing on here is that these lids are pretty easy to open up. They're pretty easy to open and they're pretty easy to reseal like that. They got a little bit of an indent right in here so that they're easy to grip with your fingers. All right, now on to the bad. As nice as these things are and how you can just fit them on top of each other like that, they're not perfect. So if you see this right here, this one does kind of slide around a little bit. So if you were to stack this on here thinking these are stackable, you could have some issues with this. That's the only one. The big one is the bad one. The rest of them are really good. They have a really nice, they stack really well. And it could also be when these things have food in them, maybe they swell up a little bit too, and they don't fit as nice. Like that. But it does seem better when it's empty, so once you get them full of food, they might not quite stack as good. They might slide around a little bit. And the one big bad is that the lids aren't microwavable or oven safe. There's even a warning right here on the box. It says, warning, remove lid before use in the oven or the microwave. So you definitely want to be careful with that. And so those are the 2 bads, which leads to the one ugly, is that these have a vent lock on here. But if these lids aren't oven or microwave safe, I'm not quite sure what the purpose of the vent lock is. I guess if you heated up your food in this dish, then you could open up the vent lock right here and put the lid on. And then that way the lid won't swell up until the heat comes out of it. And the other ugly is also about the lids. It says that these are dishwasher safe, but it says you need to put them on the top rack. The average dishwasher is anywhere from 120 to 170 degrees. So if these aren't oven safe or microwave safe, you should be cautious about putting them in your dishwasher if your dishwasher gets that hot. So if you do wash them in the dishwasher, make sure you put them on the top shelf. So there you have it. There's the good, the bad, the ugly of the Razab 24-piece glass container set.